Solving some of the important questions from NET paper 1, the 2021 question papers. So here are some of the important questions. The first question is a very interesting question. It says, of course you want to buy a Golden Peer brand phone. Now this phone looks good in one's hand and all the Bollywood stars have been carrying it these days. Now what fallacy is committed? You are not buying the phone because the phone is good, the functionalities of the phone is good, but you are buying the phone because it is in the hands of the Bollywood stars and it sounds cool. So that means you are going by an appeal to people or augmentum ad populum. Now we have covered in our NET paper 1 complete lecture series all the kind of fallacies. Now this was just one of those that was asked in the paper, but usually that's the kind of questions that come here, right? So it's an extremely important question here. The next question is the question both the premises if they are negative, okay, and the conclusion is a sum conclusion with negativity, then it is a fallacy of exclusive premises. So 2 becomes the right answer here. So it is committed when both the premises are negative. So here no tragic actors are happy man and some comedians are not happy men. That means both of these premises are negative and therefore this is a fallacy of exclusive premise. Now the remaining fallacies we have covered in the complete material, so just refer that. The next is in Nyaya philosophy, the subject matter of logic is mainly thought, that's correct, and its verbal formulation is the only matter of contingency. It's a perfect statement. The next is the verbal formulation of an argument in Nyaya tradition is only for leading the others to a conclusion in the question. Again, correct. So both the statements are correct. So in Nyaya, basically in Sanskrit means rule or method. So it's just a formulation to lead the others for the conclusion of the question. And therefore, both the statements are here correct. The fire and the hill, the fire on the hill, the Pratyanja is a complete example to explain that, which we have covered in our separate lectures. The next is again an interesting question. Socialized medicine is not recommended because it would result in reduction in the quality of medical care. So we say socialized medicine would reduce the overall quality of medical care. In addition, it might bankrupt the federal treasury. This is a whole case against socialized medicine. Now, which conclusion can be drawn? Socialized medicine is not recommended, that we cannot say. Socialized medicine might bankrupt. Okay, so that's not the main conclusion. There is an overwhelming argument against socialized medicine. Again, it is an argument, but it's not an overwhelming argument. But yes, socialized medicine would result in reduction of the overall quality of medical care. That's clearly mentioned because that's the reason this concept is not recommended. So second is the right option in this case. The last is a very interesting question. So when we say arguments, we say arguments can be valid or invalid. However, statements are true and false. So that means 1 is incorrect and 2 is correct. So 1 is false but 2 is true would be the right answer for this question. So those are some of the kind of logic questions. Extremely important. Now as you have seen, there are questions from Indian logic. Make sure you are understanding the concept of Indian logic in depth carefully. Women in Vedic period, again an important topic. Then Western logic. How do you relate Western fallacies to Indian fallacies? Extremely important. We have covered it in our complete course in detail. So don't miss any lecture on logic. Extremely important. All the cute names, again there can be questions related to cute names which have been covered under logic. The major premise, minor premise, distributed, undistributed, all of these are extremely important topics that you must be familiar with under logic. So don't miss those. Have a wonderful day ahead.